Hello YouTube. How are we going today? Huh? Let's play some Minecraft, huh? Alright. Creative. Hey Turbo. I know. Previously, I just made this boat, which it was supposed to record for you guys, but it didn't. You know what we should do? We should take all these pillars and go like this. Just because we can. I recorded, and all of a sudden it said, recording stopped. I watched the video, it didn't even show most of it. So, this is the boat. This is gonna be episode 1. Episode 2 is on the way. So yeah, stay tuned. Next episode we will be building a little, fishing shack over there. So, yeah, you might wanna keep in touch. So, yeah, see you guys in the next episode, okay? This is episode 1. With your host, Justin, but, nickname, Big J.